Have you been scrolling through your feed seeing everyone and their grandma mixing up dye potions in their kitchen for their hair? What is the deal? Are natural hair masks just passing trend or is there a real transformative secret behind the hype? It is the latter. Today we are diving deep into why the world is absolutely raving about natural hair masks and we are giving you three simple recipes you can try tonight. To understand the why, we first have to look at what many of us are using now. A lot of commercial hair products are filled with harsh sulfates that strip pure natural oils and silicone that create a fake shine but can build up over time, weighing your hair down and making it dry. It is a cycle of striping and coating that can leave your hair confused and unhealthy at its core. Natural hair masks cut through all of that. They are about going back to the basics, nourishing your hair with whole food ingredients that your hair recognizes and knows how to use. So, what is the rave really about? Let's break it down into four key benefits. The first one, nutrient dense powerhouses. We are talking about real food. Avocado is packed with healthy fats and vitamin E. Honey is a natural humidistat, meaning it draws in moisture. Yogurt is full of protein. Your hair is getting a superfood smoothie, not a chemical cocktail. Second one is unbeatable customization. This is the big one. Is your hair dry? So, load up on oils like coconut or olive. Is it oily at the roots? Use aloe vera or apple cider vinegar. Or need protein for strings? An egg mask is your best friend. You are the formulated. Third one is gentle and scalp friendly because it controls the ingredients. There are no hidden harsh chemicals to irritate your scalp. Ingredients like aloe vera and tea tree oil can actually soothe and improve scalp health, which is the foundation for great hair. The fourth one is the cost effectiveness. A single jar of a high-end hair mask can cost $15 or more. For the same price, you can buy a whole pantry of natural ingredients that will give you months of treatment. It is a no-brainer for your hair and your wallet. Are you convinced? Let's get into the fun part. Here are the three foolproof recipes for different hair needs. Recipe 1. The hydration here for dry, frizzy hair. Ingredients: 1 rip of avocado, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon of honey. The method: mash the avocado, melt the coconut oil, and mix it all together. Apply for mid-length to ends. Leave on for 30 minutes and rinse. You will get intense moisture and incredible. Recipe 2. The protein powder for weak damaged hair. Ingredients: 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. The method: whisk the egg, mix in the yogurt and oil. Important: use cool water to rinse unless you want scrambled eggs in your hair. This mask strengthens and adds incredible body. Recipe 3. The clarifying cleanse for build-up and oily scalps. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay, 4 tablespoons of water. Method: mix the clay and water first, then stir in the AVC. Apply to your scalps and hair. Leave for 10 up to 15 minutes. It detoxifies and restores your hair's natural pH balance for unbelievable bonds. Before you run to your kitchen, a couple of pro tips. Patch test. Always do a patch test on your skin, especially if you have allergies. Consistency is key. You won't see magic after one use. Do a treatment once a week for best results. My best. Natural means it works for everyone. No true if you have fine hair. Heavily oils might weight it down. Start with less and see how your hair reacts. Listen to your hair. The buzz around the natural hair mask is real because the results are real. It is about taking control of your hair hairs in a simple, effective, and joyful way. Now, I want to hear from you. What is your favorite natural hair mask ingredient? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest hair care advice. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.